So this tutorial is for you to add the app limits to social media. As we all know, these days we spend so much time using the social media, especially there are a few famous one. Um, I don't want to name them, but what how you get there is basically you could add the restriction. So if you have an iPhone, you would go to settings and you would go to screen time. You click on the screen time, and then you would go to app limits, and then you click add limit, right? And then let's say I want to add limit to Facebook. I would click on social media. I would click on Facebook. I could select the multiple apps. It doesn't have to be social media. Whatever apps that you think you're spending so much time on, you could actually put the limit on that, right? So for this demo, I'm just using Facebook. So you'd select Facebook, you'd select next, and you would just add the time that you want to spend per day. Let's say I want to spend like a minute, right? I would just add it, and then after a minute I will get the screen time notification on my Facebook. And you could you have the I'll show you in the next video how can you can avoid the limitation. You have options to ignore the limits, or you have options to not to use it. It's pretty much locks your app. You're not the lock sign. This means that the time has been exceeded. So you could do ignore limit, or you could press OK to pass through it. So it'll give you the peace of mind. Okay, I spent already a couple hours. I'm not supposed to spend time on these type of apps. I want to focus on something else. So you could add actually limits to the apps, um, whatever apps you want to add the limit to. All right, I hope this helps.